Which one were you talking about that you wanted? That one?
Yeah. I think I'm going to get a little one too.
You want to get that one?
Yeah, a little one too.
Okay. We need a cart, don't we?
Yeah, we need a cart.
We need some bullets too.
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking one of these big bullets.
I want to sit this here.
Okay. Can you grab those bullets up there? There you go. Okay. Okay, we got our pile. You ready? We should have probably grabbed a cart.
Yeah.
We just left Walmart and we kind of did something. We're going to be building a Nerf gun wall. It's going to be awesome. What else do we need? We need a 1x1. So, we got to go get a piece of wood from Lowe's. And we should be golden. Do what? Yeah, just don't hit Daddy while he's driving because it's unsafe. You can shoot it in the ground. Oh, oh, that was fun. Can you do it again? Is that your last bullet? Okay, do it. Do it. Oh! Fun times, fun times. Okay, guys, come with us. Like that? Okay. Don't drive crazy though.
I'm driving crazy.
Don't drive crazy.
I am driving crazy.
You are driving crazy?
Yeah.
Why are you driving crazy?
I am.
Oh, okay. Which way we get driving?
We're going this way.
That way? Okay. Which one do we want? This one up here. That one? This one looks good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, can you pull it out? Okay. Ugh. Okay. You ready? It's a little bent, but we can work with it. Yeah, we can. I think it's big enough that we can work with it. Can we set it in here?
Yeah.
There we go. Like this. Like that. Let's do this. Is that good?
No, that's not good. It'll pull through my throat.
Oh, okay.
It is good. I think it is good.
You think it is good? You think you can get around it?
Get around it.
Here, let's get you back up. What do we need?
Quick.
The hooks.
The hook. For mine.
What are we building?
I don't know. I can do it.
Yeah, a Nerf board for his wall.
Yeah.
And all his guns. It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. Peace.
My gunboard.
I felt that hit my seat. Yeah, I felt it. You hit it pretty good. Next time. There is stuff up here.
Yeah. Here's stuff up here.
Just for you, Joe. Thank you.
Look,
See ya.
It was a
You ready? You ready? Okay, what we gotta do is we gotta make that piece fit. So, can you take this pen?
Yeah.
You see exactly where it lines up. We're going to
We're gonna just mark it at?
Yeah, we need you to mark it right on this one, like there, where my fingernail is. Yeah, just like that. There you go, buddy. Good job. There we go, so we got kind of a straighter edge. Now, what I need to do is cut it.
You know, I was going this go inside too.
You're just gonna go inside while I cut it? Okay, that's okay. You can go inside. Go inside while I cut it. Let me set this here. Yay, beautiful. So we end up moving the painting stuff out here. More ventilation. And now we got to just prepare the place where we're going to set it on his wall. And we'll use some screws and actually screw it into the wall. So I have to make sure there's no electrical wires and that we can actually get it screwed into the stud. So, cool. You ready, Joshua?
Yeah.
Now we are trying to get this situated. You like it?
Yeah. Let's get a Nerf Gun.
Okay. We're going to have to do that after because we got to go to Uncle Daniel's. Okay, we may have to do it tomorrow. Finish this up.
That's a good plan.
Good plan.
Yeah.
That's a good plan.
That's a good plan.
You doing
Okay.
your happy dance?
You need to subscribe to Dave Adams and Joe Cruz. Right up over there, somewhere. Okay? They're both awesome YouTubers. I love them both. They're both awesome individuals. So you need to show them some love. At least subscribe to them. Very least, watch their content. Comment. And while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to me, you better subscribe to me. Like, seriously, come on. Why are you watching me and not subscribed? Anyway, I'm gonna get going. I'll see you guys later. Love you. Peace.